Hi dear friends, welcome to Sania's Crafts and Hacks. In this video I am going to show you how to make a low budget clothing rack with PVC pipe. However, I had made another clothing rack from PVC pipe previously, which was little complicated, but this one is very easy to make. I have drawn a sketch of the clothing rack and find out how many T-plugs and how many pieces of PVC pipe I need, and after measuring the PVC pipe I will cut them.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.